Alright, so for this video, I'll be seeing if I can increase the fuel economy of an older vehicle. In this case, this is my 1998 third generation Toyota 4Runner limited trim. It has a 3.4 liter V6 with four-wheel drive, and it has just over 207,000 kilometers, which is nothing for these Toyotas. And this vehicle is over 20 years old. What I did is I did a full tank of gas, and I drove until the gas light just started to flicker, and I was able to get 352 kilometers. Mind you, I do have all-terrain tires on, and that will affect the fuel economy that I get. And what I'll be doing is I'll be using a variety of products that you can get at probably any parts store. And these products, they claim to lubricate the internals of the engine and clean out the fuel system, injectors and all that. And I'm gonna see if I can have those products benefit my fuel economy in any way. So stay tuned. Alright, so these are the products I'll be using. I'll be adding Seafoam to the gas tank, so this will clean out the fuel system and the injectors. I'm going to be doing the Seafoam spray inside the intake manifold. This will clean the top part of the engine. And then the Liqui Moly engine flush just before the oil change, and this will clean the crankcase of the motor. Hopefully this will clean out any buildup that's inside and allow the motor to run more efficiently. So with this product, it says use 10 milliliters per liter or 15 milliliters per liter if you want a greater concentration. So I'll be doing that. Divide 15 by this number and you get about 30. When the light comes on, you have about 10 to 15 liters left. So I'm gonna put about 20 liters of fuel in mixed with this. The guy at the parts store told me to add this first and then add the fuel, I guess, to help mix it up. So let's go ahead and do that. So I put 20 liters in. Okay, so the next product that we have here is a Seafoam spray top engine cleaner lube. You'll need two people to get this job done, because while you're out there spraying it into the throttle body of the vehicle, someone will have to be inside keeping the revs at about 2000 RPM. Before starting, you'll also have to bring your vehicle up to operating temperature. I've done that by driving around today running some errands, or you can do that by just keeping your car running for about 10 minutes. The product says it will clean and lubricate any buildup where fuel cleaners can't reach. There's lots of information out there about these Seafoam products. I want to focus more on increasing the fuel economy. So if you guys want more information about the Seafoam products, there's hundreds of videos already out there, especially on YouTube, that focuses more about exactly what these products do. But let's get to it and see if we can get some results. Alright, so I already loosened off the intake from the throttle body here. And what you want to do is take the little line that comes with the spray and adjust it so it reaches just before the throttle body. So when the throttle body opens, you'll get a nice stream of the spray entering the intake manifold. Alright, so I have the intake re-secured over the throttle body with the hose in, hooked up to the can. And what we're going to do is when we start up the vehicle, I'm going to have my partner over there keep the revs at about 2000 RPMs while I have this sprayed until empty. Alright, so once that spray can is completely finished, remove the hose, reattach your intake back to your throttle body, make sure everything's tightened back up, and then it says let it heat soak for 10 to 15 minutes. So what that means is just leave your vehicle off and let everything just soak in for the 10 to 15 minutes. And then after that, we're gonna go for a drive. It's gonna be very smoky from the exhaust, so it's better to do this where there's not a lot of traffic or people, or you're gonna get a lot of funny looks. And then you wanna drive pretty hard. You wanna be on the gas and let everything push out and clean and work itself. So we're gonna go do that once this is all soaked in. Alright, so it's been 15 minutes and we're gonna go for the drive. Remember, when safe to do so, you wanna accelerate hard. last product that we're going to be using is a Moly engine flush. I use this with all my oil changes and all my vehicles, and it's simple to use. All you have to do is throw it in the engine, let it run for 10 to 15 minutes just before you do your oil change, drain it, and fill it with oil. And what this is going to do is help break up all the slime, buildup, and grime inside the motor, and it all gets drained out. And you'll notice when you put the new oil in that your oil will stay cleaner because all the dirty oil and all the slime gets washed out with this. Alright, so once you pour the engine flush in, you let it run for about 10 minutes. Get it hot. Alright, so after about 10 minutes of the car warming up, go ahead and do your oil change as normal. I'm going to do that, and then I'm going to do a full tank of gas and see if I can get the fuel mileage to be better. Okay, so I just went through the tank of gas until the gas light just turned on, and I was in fact able to improve my fuel economy. I just got just over 400 kilometers. Could have probably squeezed out some more, but I did use the AC a bit, and I also did some of this. So yeah, these are just some things that I did to improve the mileage I got. I'm sure there's other things you can do out there to help with it. Or maybe this is the best I can get. I don't know. Well, I know for a fact that if I were to change out these all-terrain tires to some summers or all seasons, I'll definitely see more kilometers per tank. Also an alignment. I need an alignment, so I'm going to go do that right now actually. And that should help. Also the air filter. This one was okay. If yours is dirty, 100% change that. There's also the PCV valves to look at on these trucks. If they're dirty or clogged, that should definitely be changed, and that will see a difference. But yeah, I'm aiming to hit 450 kilometers per tank. I got 400 now, just over 400. Better than a 350 I got. What are you guys getting on your 3rd Gen 4Runners? But yeah, I hope this video offered some good information to you guys. It would help a lot if you guys liked and subscribed to it. And thanks for watching.